reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new CNN, yeah. Reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new CNN, yeah. Hey!
Your face so pretty to me, makeup ain't make it. Your face so pretty to me, makeup could make it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep giving and I keep on getting it. You know that I could be the perfect.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, hi, hello. If you're not new, what's happened? So I decided while I was sitting here taking hella pictures that I would just go ahead and do a wig review on this wig because so many people have been asking me about it on Insta. And yeah, so this is gonna be a really quick review. I'm not about to take it off my head. I am not about to do anything like that. It's gonna be like a legit review rather than a how-to. If you want to see a how-to do frontal wigs for people that don't know how to do them, give this video a thumbs up because a lot of people have been asking me, and everybody I see on YouTube literally does hair and they're trying to explain it and it's like not right. I'm gonna teach you how to finesse it and how to make it look as legit as possible for somebody who doesn't know how to do it. So if you want to see a video like that, give this video a big thumbs up, and then I'll order from this same company and have that video for you guys. Okay, so let's jump right into the review. It's gonna be quick. I don't even know, it might be less than 5 minutes. So we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna put all the specs, price points and everything in the description box. So yeah, let's just jump right into this video. So I got this wig from www.quintascloset.com. Quinta, the owner, the CEO, her name is La Quinta. She is from my city, so if you have something and I feel like I need it, I'm going to support anybody in my city. Although I don't claim my city, I claim where I was actually raised, which is Vegas. Anybody who does anything down here in Mississippi, I try my hardest to promote them, or I try my hardest to help them, you know, shop with them. I've known Quinta for a while. She sells lashes. I actually have her lashes on as well. This is not sponsored at all. She's not paying me to do this. She doesn't even want brand ambassadors for her hair or her eyelashes or anything else she sells because she's a hardworking woman. Next, so this wig is 22 inches. I'll stand up for you guys. My dog is probably gonna stand up too. This is 22 inches. It comes about a little bit, I'm short and my camera's like tilted, but it comes like right here. It is a 360, if I'm correct, a 360 wig. I am correct because I cut the lace off. I know exactly what it is. It's a 360 22 inch. On her website, I've never been to her website. I text her personally just to purchase my things. On her website, I think it's called the 613 with dark roots, as you can see. However, my wig is custom colored. A lot of people thought that it was just her wig on her site, which it is, but I sent her pictures and videos, and I'll insert them right here, of the actual girl who I got the hair idea from. I was just browsing on YouTube one day and I really wanted to do blonde, but I wanted it to fit my skin tone, and that has always been hard for me. Quinta does custom coloring for free. If you buy with her and you order a wig from her, your custom color is free. That's an entire steal, and the day that she makes you purchase coloring, y'all gonna be upset. She does literally custom colors of everything. I will also insert pictures of her with her custom colors because she does them herself. So I had this hair rushed because I wanted to go to my football game for my school, but I ended up not going anyway. So I think I ordered Friday. I ordered last Friday. I got the wig on Thursday. And yeah. Little things to note. She sends the hair, I'm not sure if she sends everybody's hair like this, but I'm pretty sure she does. She sends everybody's hair kind of damp. It is not wet, it's damp. because she does not want to put heat on people's hair that is not hers. I never thought about that, but it's actually really considerate of her to do that. So if you do want her to put heat to it or style it, put that in her notes for when you're ordering with her, just so you won't be confused and give her a bad review for something that she's actually been getting complaints about. So that's one thing. I curled it with a wand curl, and I brushed them out, and these curls have lasted 3 days because I've worn this wig 3 days, and I've also taken it off and applied it 3 different times. Again, your girl don't know how to do frontals, so I refuse to get on camera looking a mess. So this is day 3, and I think I did pretty good. Still have a little hits and misses, but again, if you want to see a video, let your girl know and I will let y'all know how I do them. This hair is soft. It has a little bit of texture, but to me, 613 hair, once it's bleached and processed and dealt with, it's not gonna be 100% soft, but this hair is actually still soft. I literally have gotten 0 shedding, and that's amazing considering I'm used to another 613 company that I worked with where the shedding was unbearable, and I don't even want to use the wig. I'm probably gonna throw it away. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You can part it in different ways. I am not about to put a middle part in this wig because I actually worked hard to stay on this side. The wig, it comes pre-plucked, but I plucked it a little bit more to my liking. No, do not comment that I need to pluck it some more because I don't want to, okay? It's just how I like it. And I think that's about it. I'm not sure if she still has her lace glue on the site because I do kind of like watch when she posts stuff, but she did have her own lace glue. I personally did not use it. I used Ghost Bond. You can get it off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box. So yeah, that is literally it I think I have to say about this hair. I know I've got a lot of comments on it, and a lot of compliments. Thank you to everybody that has complimented me. But yeah, you can run your fingers through it. It's stuck on my head. And it just looks really pretty. And it flows. This is not stiff. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Okay? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. All of her things, her links, pricing. Oh, I didn't tell you how much I paid for it. Wow, Ashlyn. I'm going to insert it when I was talking about the wig. So I think I paid $275 for this. I'm gonna actually go to her website. And alrighty, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.